Alright, here we are again with Old Farts Fishing, and we are doing a leak check. And so far so good. I see no water coming out, no leaks. Everything is looking a-okay. Dry as can be. Yes sirree. Dry as can be. Oh, I see one little leak still. One little leak. Where's this coming from? Right here. One leak. Alright, leak test number 3. So we had a little bit of a leak after we sealed everything up. So now I cleaned out this one section that was leaking and really coated this Plex Seal on there a lot. So I'm going to see if this leak is now gone. Hopefully it is, and we can then continue with our project. But let's see if it leaks back here. Stay tuned.